Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to go through the slack drop, which is also known as the bullet drop. This is a basic drop that's easy to do, but it can be dangerous if done incorrectly. I recommend starting with a small drop first and then building up the distance of the drop from there. First up, I'm going to show you the drop and then we'll start breaking it down. Now guys, if you're enjoying these aerial silks tutorials, remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. I'm going to invert and then do a same side hook with the right leg. The left hand is going to come around behind the back, moving the fabric down to the low back and then up and over the free leg. This is where you can start pulling the slack. This one I've just done a small amount of slack so the drop will be much smaller, as you can see here. Then quickly letting go of the top hand to make the drop happen. You need to make sure that you keep holding on to the tail end, otherwise you will fall out of this. To come out, unhook your top leg, unravel the fabric and coming back around into a climb. One more time as a bigger drop, we're going to invert same side hook. Left hand reaches overhead, moving the fabric down to the low back and over the free leg. Start pulling your slack. You can see here I've drawn in much more slack, so this is going to be a bigger drop. Letting go with the top hand to make that drop happen. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial in the slack drop. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.